This isn't a how to prevent your child from becoming a narcissist video, but I'll share some things that I do with my kids. First and foremost, I recommend play therapy. It can be really beneficial for kids to learn how to process their feelings. I also spend a lot of time reading to my kids. We read all sorts of books, but here's a few of my favorites. My Mixed Emotions by Eleanor Greenwood. A Terrible Thing Happened by Margaret Holmes. A Little Spot of Anger by Diane Alber. Have You Filled a Bucket Today by Carol McLeod. All About Feelings by Felicity Brooks. I also have Feelings in a Flash Emotional Intelligence flashcards. Unrelated to reading, it's really important to validate your children's feelings. You want them to learn how to stand up for themselves, how to ask for their needs to be met. In my view, therapy is your best resource, though I do realize therapy is not accessible to everyone. Ask your children a lot of questions. Validate them and make sure that they feel seen and heard. Narcissistic parents treat their children in various ways. You may have a golden child and a scapegoat. Honestly, I'm not an expert in this particular area of narcissistic abuse recovery. Like most parents, I'm doing the best I can with the information I have. Why don't we use the comment section? Share what's worked for you, what's been helping your kids.